Or it could be
Good morning in Bayou Caddy. We are shaking our oysters out on the bayou, and it's Captain Jenny. That's right, it's Captain Jenny and the customers on the Bay St. Louis Discovery Boat Tour, and the crew, which is, we've got crew Cade here. He'll be a captain soon. And we have a fish of some kinds in our, almost looks like a water snake. We've got something, and we're gonna get it out, put it back in, and let it live its beautiful life. That's right, here in Bayou Caddy.
You can tell it's a fish because, first of all, there's, if I can flip them around, you see that part right there? Those are fins.
Oh, yeah.
And so
We'll try to identify what that exactly that was a little bit later. But these are our oysters out on the bayou in Bayou Caddy, and we're about to go on the Bay St. Louis Discovery Boat Tour with these delightful customers. Live it.